Hey y'all, so today we are gonna make some honey lemon pepper lamb chop. Off camera I will make some red skin Parmesan mashed potatoes, some broccoli, and a tzatziki sauce. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have about 10 lamb chops here, and I have soaked them in vinegar, salt, and water because I don't really care for the gamey taste of lamb chops. So that's what I did for about 8 minutes. Make sure these are covered in olive oil. I'm gonna add some parsley paste, some garlic paste, some basil, a little ginger paste, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Simply Spicy Spice, and this is the garlic herb lemon pepper. Sure these lamb chops are all nicely covered. All the herbs and spices. Okay, once they're all covered, we're gonna go ahead and let these marinate for about 2 hours. Okay, the longer the better, but we're gonna let them marinate for like 2 hours. All right, so let's get some olive oil, put it in the skillet. I'll put some butter in the skillet. Now I'm gonna add some garlic paste. Parsley. Basil. Ginger. Now we're gonna add our lamb chops right on in. Oh, they smell so good. Gonna let these brown. Get a nice crispy edge on them. Okay, so now they're nice and brown with a little crisp on them. So we're going to remove them from the skillet and then make a sauce. Okay, so I added a cup of water. I'm going to add some honey. Give that a mix with this goodness that's already in the skillet. Add some lemon pepper. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. We'll place these babies right back in here. Let these glaze up a little bit. We'll flip them over one time. And these babies are done. Now for the taste test. Dip it in the tzatziki sauce I made. Look at that. This tzatziki sauce sets it off. And because I have, when I went to clean them and I soaked them in the vinegar, salt, and water, it does not have that gamey taste to it. They are so tender. So juicy. Just come on over so I can give all of you guys some. And if you're not able to, then try it out for yourself and tag me and let me know. Because this right here Go ahead, give these lamb chops a try. I will do my best to leave the recipe in the description box below. I'm telling you, these are saying something and something good, okay? So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Don't be afraid to share it out. And give this video a thumbs up. All of that matters. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.